What is up, YouTube? This is Rockin643, and today I thought I'd do something just a little different. I thought I would be showing you how to mod your Minecraft. I know I haven't done a series at all on Minecraft whatsoever, but I thought I'd have just a little look. But what you'd have to do is go onto this website here, which is Forge. Ooh, that's all in capitals. And if you type in Forge, it will come up with this link here. I'll put a link to it in the description anyway, but you'd click this, and then depending on your Minecraft version, you would download whatever version you'd like. Personally, I prefer 1.7.10 because it's the current version of Forge, and the highest version of Minecraft you can get that can be modded. So you've got all these options here, but find that where it says 1.7.10 recommended. Here it says this, basically. It says this bit, but sometimes you get an error where it would say you do not have the right version. So if it says a specific version that it wants you to have, it would go down here. Mine always says it wants me to have 10.13.0.1208. So you'd click here and you click the installer. That would take you to a page something like this, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but if it doesn't, all you've got to do is refresh it, click reload this page, and it will start saying please wait, and that will give you a second time. And then once it's finished, it'll say skip ad, click that, and then your download should appear here. And it says this type of file, blah 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 blah. It won't, trust me, I've done it, the amount of times that I've done that on my computer is fine. So you can trust me, and then there's your Forge. Second of all, you will need a fresh version of Minecraft. So delete your Minecraft, but make sure to back up your files if you'd like to keep your save. Make sure. It is highly recommended to back up all your files in case you have like a current Minecraft world with a lot of stuff on it, and you want to sort of keep your world and then mod your world later. So simply download minecraft.exe. I'm sure you all know this, but I would usually do like a little skip video, little bit of a skip, but I think I'll just show you all this because it's quite an in-depth thing, especially if you're new to Minecraft and want to start modding. So yeah, right, I have a fresh minecraft.exe down here now. Of course I've already got it here, but just for purposes of YouTube, you plop these two down here. Now Forge is required for most mods, to be quite honest, but you can find the occasional mod that doesn't need it, but usually when you get it, it will end up looking a bit like this. And I will also show you WinRAR Archiver, which you will need to acquire for this. It is you can get a free version, but I will put a link in the description to that. And you download it and it might look like this, and people would open it and think, oh, what's all this? I don't understand. I found the easiest way to fix this is you right click and click properties. Up here it says opens with WinRAR Archiver. You left click change and then you choose Java TM binary. Change that, click apply, click OK. Now, when you now open this, there's a little run circle, opens it with Java, and it should, he says, there you go, and it opens up with this. Now, as it says, there's no Minecraft directory, which is because I haven't installed the Minecraft yet, but you do install client and then click OK, and it does it all for you. Easiest thing ever. So, first of all, I will run Minecraft. The loading screens. However, it is necessary to do this on a fresh install. As you can see, I have got my backup up here of my current modded series that I may or may not put on YouTube. I haven't decided yet, but obviously I have to sign in, so if you bear with me just a second, I will be back with you in a minute. And I am back. Now, it usually says ready to download and play Minecraft 1.8. What you need to do is, down here will be your profile. You need to click edit profile, and it says version selection here. Click the drop down menu and choose release 1.7.10 for the current Forge update. Then you do save profile, and now you can see it's changed to 1.7.10. So you'd click play, and of course it would download. So what I should do is I shall come back to you once it is finished downloading. Sorry for another cut, but see you in a minute. And we are back after about 15 minutes of downloading. As you can see, Minecraft is now running fine. Everything is normal. So what we shall do is, now that it's opened, we shall close this down and go back to our Forge thing that is here. Double click, left click to open, and you now have this where it has no red text at the bottom. So you make sure it's checked on install client. You leave this bit alone unless you're wanting it to be in any other folder or renamed Minecraft folder, but still, click OK, and it says this. But whilst this is downloading, I will natter a bit. If you'd like me to do any mod reviews or mod tutorials, I am more than happy to, as long as I know how to. Some mods I cannot do to save my life, such as Thaumcraft 4. If you know what that is and you know how to do it, then I salute you. I cannot do it to save my life, but I can do some mods. There are some that I'd quite like to do reviews of personally. So there's that. But I might even make a modded survival. So if there are any mods that you'd like me to add to the modded survival, please leave them in the comments, or leave the names of them in the comments, and I shall see if I can get them, and then I shall add them. This seems to be taking a lot longer than I thought. So I think this will be our third and final jump cut. So I will see you guys again in a second. Okay, we are back, and as you can see, it's successfully installed Client Profile Forge for Forge 10.13.0.1208 and grabbed 11 required libraries. That's lovely. Now, when you now open Minecraft, like so, like so. There we go. Right, it's loaded your profile and it says ready to play Minecraft. Now, what you need to do for this to work is, you see your profile here, you click this and you see a new one and it says Forge. So you click that and it comes up with all this text. So that is what you need, and then you click play. Nice and quick now there. It doesn't have to download everything. So close down the launcher and it'll open up Minecraft, and then you should see something different if it is installed correctly. There we go. It's all loading correctly now. And any moment now we should have the new screen. As you can see, there's a lot more text here. New Forge version available. And as you can see, it says 3 mods loaded, 3 mods active. Now, you now also have this button here. So you click this and it shows you the mods that are now in this. These are just mods that come with Minecraft Forge. Unless you are fluent in Java stuff, they are of no use to you. But yeah, I will leave these alone. So that's that done. And just for demonstrational purposes, I shall do a quick world. I'll do a creative world, I think. Just to... Oh, I'm not with it today. Just to do a little look, and I can show you one of the mods that I think is very useful to any mod pack. But as you can see, everything's loaded fine. All this is up here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I can't remember if Forge adds any new blocks. I'm sorry if it does. I am highly mistaken. But yeah, as you can see, everything's working fine. Everything's all good. I don't think there's anything else. No, there isn't. Right. So as demonstrational purposes, I will save and quit to title, completely close Minecraft, and I will get a mod from my folder up here because I already have it. And where is it? Not enough items. I think that's what I need. I think that's it as well, unless it requires, which I think it does, Code Chicken Core. Again, I will leave a link in the description for both of these. But if you do ever do anything wrong, it will Forge Mod Loader will pop up and say what mods you're missing, and then of course you can go grab them. So to install a mod, it is easy, to be, in my opinion. You'd go up to your normally you'd go to here, you type in run, not Robin, run, and then you would look for basically this. I of course have moved mine to my desktop, so it opens and then it says run, and what you need to type in is what's here. So you need %app data %, and then you hit enter, and here is your .minecraft folder. You'd open this and you've got all this here. You may or may not have a mods folder. If not, just create one and call it mods, no capitals, no spaces. And it is the simplest thing. You get your mod and you drag and you move it in. You drag and you move it in. That is it. And so you'd close, reopen Minecraft, wait for it to load up, and whilst it is loading I will do, I think, one final jump cut, so I'll see you guys in a second. And we are back again. Now, as you can see in the bottom here, instead of saying 3, we now have 5 mods loaded and 5 mods active, which is a good thing. So we go back into our new world here, and hopefully this should have worked. If not, I will have to do one more jump cut to fix any problems, but I'm hoping it'll work. Right. As you can see, nothing looks different, but as soon as you press E, you have this massive menu just here. So you can turn the rain on. Who would want to do that? You can turn it off. You can set your game mode. You can turn magnet mode on. So say if, let's do an example. Let's get a stack of acacia wood blanks and turn magnet mode on. Throw some stuff along the floor, and then as you can see, it all pops straight into my inventory. So if I walk away, as I get closer, it'll pop into my inventory from a much larger range. So let's turn that off. You can set the time: noon, dawn, noon, dusk, midnight. You can even heal yourself. I will very quickly use this lovely mod menu and put myself in adventure mode. So let's get attacked by something. Let's punch a slime. That's always a good idea. And punch. As you can see, I'm now hurt with missing hearts. So what I do is simply click the heart with left click, and my health is back. Let's go back into creative now. If you may or may not have noticed, I will very quickly do this to protect myself. But as you can see, you also get this menu here. I'll just make this a bit bigger for you. So you get the menu with all the blocks, and so you left click and you get a stack. This is usable in survival mode, as you can see. I'm actually in survival now. It is usable. You can just left click. If you shift left click, you get an infinite amount, and as you can see, infinite. But everything is in here. So if you ever have any cheating needs, this is the mod to use. It is compatible with all mods as far as I know. But final thing, as you can see, you've got these buttons here, and it says save all the way down to 7. So if also you've got a delete mode, so you could turn delete on. If you hold shift, it says delete all items current inventory. So you shift left click and it deletes everything. But back onto these saves. Say if you got some woods and you wanted to keep these woods. Say if you're building something, you'd instantly left click save. Now, as you can see, it says any i.load1. It may say something different, but that's basically a load. So if I deleted all this, and I couldn't remember what wood I had, all I'd have to do is left click this, and as you can see it's giving me back the items that are in here in the exact same order too. We've got oak, jungle, birch and spruce, if you remember that order, into there. You can also left click items into here to delete. Load again, oak, jungle, birch, spruce. If you don't want this save anymore, simply click the X and it's gone. Finally, in the options you've got your inventory, so here's some more things that you could look into. Any enabled, disabled, cheat mode, recipe mode, and utility mode. And yeah, those are some of the things you can do. That was a bit of a buggy jump cut there. But you've also got the rest of these key bindings, commands, all this jazz. But I think that's about it. So into the darkness. Right, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you again in the next clip. Bye!